Wow, 70 years. Think about everything that's happened throughout that time. We started in one little store in Miami, and we've built it into a pretty large company. So in our world, in the hydraulic world, it's broken up into two categories. You have industrial customers and you have mobile customers. So if you think about it, a piece of machinery that's out in the field, that's out either on the water or on pavement or things, it's a mobile piece of equipment. And then you have an industrial customer, so think of a factory or a plant, something that's fixed. We're capable, and our mix is such that we service both sides of that equation. A customer can be in the marine segment, in the construction segment, in asphalt, it can be in agriculture, it can be in refuse, it can be a paper mill, it can be a steel plant. It doesn't matter what it is. We're capable, we have the product offering, we have the experience today.